don't need to see me for this part, they just need to listen.
Yeah, they do!
I'm gonna be dead fucking serious with you people. A few months ago, well longer than that now, I had to quit touring because of a small thing called addiction. Don't clap at that. Do not fucking clap at that. Now here's the deal. They always say party till you're dead, right? Well, I was fucking dead, literally. For almost 3 minutes. And when they brought me back to life, I looked up and my oldest daughter was holding my head, crying on my face. And the very first words out of my mouth to her were, "Please God, don't tell my band." That means that the first thing that clicked in my head was that I might miss out on all this. Now I want you to know something. Before that moment, I'm not gonna bullshit you. I took it for granted. I thought that I deserved to be here. And the truth of the matter is, I am only here because of all of you. So thank you. Thank you for not giving up on me. I owe you all my fucking soul. Now, turn the lights on. So for all of you in recovery, this song is for you. It's called Gone Away. Another life, I could find you there. Was pulled away before your time. I can't deal, it's so unfair, and it feels, yes it feels like heaven so far away. Yes it feels like the world has grown cold now that you've gone away. Flowers on your grave show that I still care. Black roses and Hail Marys, I can't get back, it's taken from